Hi Year 5, Mrs Powell here. Thanks so much to everyone that sent me their pictures of their drawings last week. I hope you had fun. This week we're still thinking about observational drawing, but we're going to approach it from a little different angle this week. So what you'll need is a piece of white paper, a pair of scissors, a pencil, and if you have them, some colouring pens. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to think about is something called negative space. Okay, you might have actually seen this picture before. Okay, what do you see? Some of you might see a white vase, but some of you might also see two black faces in profile. Okay, this very famous sort of optical illusion explores the idea of negative and positive space. So positive space is the object itself, okay, like this bicycle. Negative space is all the space that's in and around the object, or the bicycle, okay? So it's a really interesting way to start a drawing, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do that today. So you're going to take your piece of paper, okay, and fold it in half. Then, with your pair of scissors, you're going to cut a rectangle, okay? So you're leaving a little frame like that. That is what we call a viewfinder. And we're going to use this viewfinder to explore the negative space around a pair of scissors. I'm going to show you how to do it now. So with your viewfinder in place, what you're going to do is place the scissors down so that each part of the scissors touch the edges of the viewfinder. And what you're going to try and concentrate are the spaces in between the scissors. That's what you're drawing, the negative space, not the scissors themselves. So you have to look really carefully. So you're going to get your pencil and we'll just start looking at this shape here. Think of it in terms of shape. There's a straight line there where the viewfinder is. You're going to come down and then you see this portion here. So don't think about the scissors, just this negative space. Slow the drawing right down and come up like this. And continue. So here's my finished scissor drawing, and remember, at no point did I try and draw the scissors themselves. By drawing the negative space, the positive space of the scissors actually sort of pops out of the drawing, and you can have fun making that a bit bolder using some coloured pens. So I hope you enjoy it. Good luck and keep drawing.